Hi kids! Today's topic is about egg family words. Egg, egg. Egg, egg. P, egg, pig. D, egg, dig. Let's practice some new words. B, egg, big. D, egg, dig. F, egg, fig. P, egg, pig. W, egg, wig. Let's do it again. Big, dig, fig, gig, pig, wig. Your turn to read. Good job, kids. Good reading. Bye-bye. See you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video updates. Link to all my videos is given below in the description box. Keep watching.